enlighten him.
Yeah.
Now, can you fill us in? I've stolen one of Diddy's quotes, bitch assness.
Yes.
Can you tell everyone what that means? Because the boys over there got a case of the bitch assness.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have that problem.
But
No,
we
you
don't.
definitely don't. So what is that?
It's a disease that's,
Yeah.
you know, plaguing.
He actually suffers from it too.
Oh, obviously, I like you because you're spicy, and you let him have it in that recent when you told
Oh,
me
he
you guys
needed
stood
to
up.
have it.
You didn't like the way the album was going, and you said, hold up, we want to be like pop. We don't want this sappy crap. We want
Yeah.
something we can jam to.
Right.
So why don't we listen to your new hot single? You guys
Thank
wanna enjoy
you
it?
so much. Damage.
Okay, so, hey everybody, Canton, what's up? This is Danny Kane, and this is our new single, Damaged, off our sophomore album, Welcome to the Dollhouse. Thanks, Canton. Won't you play it and request it at all times? Just that.
You guys act like you've done this before.
This is our first station ever. Yeah.
We're just miraculously, we just came.